Hey there, future millionaires! Do you dream of making money while you sleep? Well, you're in luck. Today, I'm spilling the beans on 15 real passive income ideas you can start today. Let's dive right in. Number 1, invest in dividend stocks. Pretty straightforward, right? Buy stocks that pay you a part of their profits. Cha-ching! Next up, number 2, real estate crowdfunding. No, you don't need to buy a whole building. Just pool your money with others and earn returns. It's like real estate's group project. Number 3, rent out a room on Airbnb. Got an extra room? Turn it into a mini hotel and let people pay you for their stay. Just don't forget to wash the sheets. All right, number 4, create an online course. Share what you know and get paid for it. From baking the perfect sourdough to coding like a pro, there's always someone willing to learn. Number 5, write an ebook. Got a story or expertise to share? Write it down once, sell it forever. You could be the next Hemingway, or at least the next bestseller on Amazon. Number 6, start a YouTube channel. Yep, you heard me right. Create content, grow your audience, and earn from ads. Plus, you'll finally have a reason to talk to your camera all day. Number 7, affiliate marketing. Promote products you love and earn a commission for every sale. It's like being a salesperson, but without leaving your couch. Number 8, invest in a vending machine. Place it in a high-traffic area and let the quarters roll in. Who knew snacks could be so profitable? Number 9, peer-to-peer lending. Lend your money to others and earn interest. Just think of yourself as a mini bank, hopefully without the bad reputation. Number 10, create a mobile app. If you've got coding skills, this one's for you. Build an app, put it in the App Store, and watch the downloads turn into dollars. Number 11, high-yield savings accounts. Put your money in and let it grow with higher interest rates. It's like watching grass grow, but faster. Number 12, rent your car. When you're not using it, let someone else drive it. Turn your idle car into an income-generating machine. Number 13, license your photos. If you've got an eye for photography, sell your photos to stock photo sites. Make money every time someone uses your snaps. Say cheese. Number 14, dividend-paying mutual funds. Similar to dividend stocks, but with a mix of different stocks. Diversify and multiply your earnings. And finally, number 15, create a blog. Share your thoughts, build an audience, and monetize it with ads, sponsored posts, or affiliate links. Who knows, you might become the next big influencer. And there you have it, 15 real passive income ideas you can start today. Go ahead, pick one or a few, and get started on your path to financial freedom. Until next time, keep hustling and stay awesome.